A batch of humanitarian supplies, provided by China's South-South Cooperation Assistance Fund in cooperation with the United Nations Refugee Agency, have been distributed in Afghanistan on Monday.
We are very concerned the living plight of the Afghanistan people. All these materials will be delivered to the neediest people and families in Afghanistan. I believe these materials would do help Afghanistan people.
We all know the situation in Afghanistan is quite critical at the moment, and any support that the people can get goes a long way in improving their livelihoods.
از کمک تیمیشان که بر شاگردای ما بایک کمک کردن چون بسیار زیاد تشکر میکنم ما به نمایندگی از پرسنل خود به نمایندگی از شاگردای خود.
Following the U.S. military pullout from Afghanistan last August, Washington has imposed sanctions on the Taliban-run administration and frozen more than $9 billion assets of Afghanistan's central bank, which battered the economy in the war-torn country.